Hello guys, question 5 of probability equation questions. So, there are 5 red counters and X blue counters in a bag. 2 counters are removed from the bag at random. Probability that both the counters taken are red is 5 over 33. Work out the value of X. So, let's put that in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red counters and X blue. We'll draw our tree diagram. So red and blue. Probability that we pick a red is going to be 5 over 5 plus X. Probability we pick a blue, gonna be X over 5 plus X. Second pick. So we've got red, blue, red, and blue. So the second time we pick a red, it's gonna be 1 less, so there'll be 4 reds out of 4 plus X. Pick a blue, first blue, still X blues out of 4 plus X. But we pick a blue, then we pick a red, still 5 reds over 4 plus X total. Pick a blue, then another blue, it's going to be X minus 1 over 4 plus X. Probability that both the counters taken are red is 5 over 33. So it's going to be this probability times this one. And that is 5 over 5 plus X times 4 over 4 plus X. And it equals 5 over 33. So we can times the 5 and the 4 to make 20. So we've got 20 over 5 plus X times 4 plus X equals 5 over 33. Get rid of the fraction, so we'll times everything by this, cancels here, times by the 5, times everything by 33, to cancel here, and then times by the 20. So, that gives us, we have, right, so we'll have 20 times 33 equals 5 times 5 plus X times 4 plus X. 20 times 33 is going to be 660. Times 5 times 5 plus X times 4 plus X. Now we can just get rid of this 5 if we divide everything by 5 to cancel here, and then the 660 becomes 132. 132 equals 5 plus X times 4 plus X. Now, it doesn't matter which side of the equals these are, so I'm going to put this on the left hand side and expand. So we'll have X times X is X squared. I'm going to have 5 times X plus 4 times X, which gives us 9x. And we'll have 5 times 4, which equals 20. And that all equals 132. Now, if I take 132 from both sides, that will give 100, and that will leave 112. This will become 112, minus 112, sorry. So we'll still have x squared plus 9x, and that all equals 0. So we can do our quadratic. So we're going to have x. Now, this is quite tricky. Two numbers that multiply together to make minus 112 and add together to make 9. It's a bit difficult to do this in your head. So what you can do is you can look for the factors of 112. So if we do 112, first off, we'll just do 2 times 56. 56 can be broken down into 2 times 28. 28 can be broken down into 2 times 14. And 14 can be broken down into 2 times 7. Now, is it 2 times 56? No, because 56 minus 2 is not 9. Is it 28 and 2 times 4? So 4 and 28? No. 28 times 4, 28 minus 4 is 24. It doesn't work. What about 14 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8? 8 and 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. That's not 9. It has to be 7. And 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 make, well, 2 times 2 is 4. 8, 16. It's got to be 7 and 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. So yes. So we're going to have 16 and 7. Which is which? So we're going to have 16, positive 16 minus 7. That gives us the 9. 16 times minus 7 equals minus 112. So x equals minus 16 or 7. Again, x cannot be negative. So x equals 7. There we go. Right guys, see you in the next question.